Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to split screen a Chromebook where you can take two different pages and put them side by side to make them easier to use. Generally you have your tabs up here and you can click back and forth between them, but it's not very convenient when you want to see what you're looking at on both. So here's how you do it. Grab the tab of the one on the right and pull it down. Now you have two different pages. Second thing you want to do is to now make the split screen. Come to the little box that changes the size of the page. Click on it and drag it to the left, and you'll see that it kind of gave you that little bit of a line in the middle was what you want to see. That means it's placed on half. This one, we're going to click on the box and we're going to drag it to the right. When we drag it to the right, we'll see that same kind of thing where you can see where it now looks like it's got a little line in the middle. Let it go. Now you can look at both documents side by side. You can scroll through your map here, and you can also come to your text, and using the arrow keys you can move your page around. Again, it makes the small screen a little more usable.